Google just dropped something that's going to completely transform how you work, and most people have no idea it exists yet. While everyone else is still manually copying emails into spreadsheets and spending hours scheduling meetings back and forth, there's now a way to have AI do all of that for you automatically. The crazy part is, you don't need to know how to code or be a tech genius to use it. If you can write a sentence, you can build an AI agent that works for you around the clock. Here's what's happening right now. Google built an automation platform called Gemini Flow, directly inside the tools you already use every single day. Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Calendar, all of it now works together with AI that actually understands what you're trying to accomplish. This isn't some complicated software that takes weeks to learn. You literally drag boxes around on your screen, connect them together, and tell the system what you want in plain English. The AI figures out the rest and builds the entire workflow for you. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real example. Imagine you run a business and you get dozens of emails from potential customers every day. Right now, you probably spend an hour or two reading through them, trying to figure out which ones are serious buyers, manually copying their information into a spreadsheet, and then following up with each person individually. That's exhausting and it's stealing time away from actually growing your business. With Gemini Flows, you set it up one time and then it automatically reads every single email that comes in, pulls out the important details like their name, phone number, what they're interested in, and how urgent their request is. It drops all of that information into a Google Sheet organized by priority, and it even writes a personalized response email for you to review before sending. All of that happens automatically while you're sleeping or working on something else. Now here's another example that's going to save you hours every single week. Let's say you're constantly scheduling calls with clients, and right now that means sending 10 or 15 emails back and forth trying to find a time that works for both of you. It's annoying and it wastes so much time. With Gemini Flows, when someone emails you asking for a meeting, the system automatically checks your Google Calendar to see when you're available. It suggests 3 different time slots, sends those options back to the person, and when they pick one, it books the meeting automatically and sends both of you a confirmation email. You didn't have to do anything. The entire conversation happened without you touching it. Here's what makes this different from other automation tools you might have heard about. Gemini doesn't just move data around like a robot. It actually reads and understands the content. If you get an email and the person sounds frustrated, Gemini can detect that and route it to your support team immediately. If someone mentions pricing, it can automatically send that email to your sales department. If it's from a VIP customer, it can notify you right away so you can respond personally. The AI understands context, which means it can make intelligent decisions about what should happen next. Let me give you one more powerful example. Think about all the invoices and receipts you get in your email. Right now, you probably download them manually, save them to the right folder, and then log the information somewhere so your bookkeeper can deal with it later. That takes time every single day. With Gemini Flows, you can set it up so that whenever an invoice arrives in your email, the system automatically grabs that PDF, saves it to the correct folder in Google Drive based on the vendor name, extracts all the important details like the amount and due date, and logs everything into a Google Sheet that your bookkeeper can access. You never have to think about it again. It just happens automatically every single time. Now here's what most people get wrong when they first start using automation tools like this. They try to automate everything at once. They build these massive complicated workflows that end up breaking, and then they get frustrated and give up. Don't do that. Start with one annoying task that wastes 30 minutes of your day. Maybe it's sorting through emails, maybe it's updating a spreadsheet, maybe it's sending follow-up messages. Pick that one thing, automate it, get it working smoothly, and then move on to the next task. That's how you actually make progress without overwhelming yourself. Here's something most people aren't thinking about yet, and this is where the real opportunity is. If you're running an agency, or you're a consultant, or you're a freelancer, you can set up these automations for your clients and charge them for it. Think about a local business like a dental office or a law firm or a real estate agency. They're drowning in administrative work. You go to them and say, "Hey, I can automate your lead follow-up, your appointment scheduling, your client communication, and your monthly reporting. They pay you $2,000 to set everything up, and then $500 a month to manage it and make improvements. You spend a few hours building it out initially, and then maybe 1 hour per month checking in to make sure everything is running smoothly. That's recurring revenue with incredible margins, and most business owners have no idea this technology even exists yet. Let me break down some specific workflows that are working really well right now. First, email summarization. If you're getting hundreds of emails every day, Gemini Flows can read all of them, identify the important ones, and give you a daily digest with the key action items. Instead of spending 2 hours reading email, you spend 10 minutes reviewing summaries and deciding what needs your attention. Second, lead management. When someone fills out a contact form on your website, that information can automatically flow into a Google Sheet, get scored based on how qualified they are, trigger a personalized welcome email, and create a task for your sales team to follow up within 24 hours. Everything happens instantly without anyone touching it. Third, customer support workflows. When a support email comes in, the system can categorize it by urgency, check if it matches a common question in your knowledge base, and either send a pre-written answer or route it to the right person on your team with all the context they need to help quickly. Now let me be clear about something. This isn't going to replace you. It's not going to run your entire business on autopilot while you sit on a beach doing nothing. What it does is handle the boring repetitive stuff so you can focus on the important decisions and the creative work that only you can do. You're still in control. You're just way more efficient. And as you build more automations, they start working together. Your lead management flow feeds into your project management flow, which feeds into your reporting flow. You're creating a system where everything connects and data flows smoothly through your entire operation. That's when things get really powerful. Write down your questions and comments in the details section of this video. Like and subscribe for upcoming AI content, then watch the next AI video that will appear in front of you soon.